Hello guys, I'm going to introduce to you these three identities that are used for taking integrals where it's a product of sine times cos or sine times sine or cos times cos. So if you ever get a sine a of x, a being any constant and b being any constant, multiplied by cos b of x, you would fit it into this general formula, 1 over 2 times sine of a minus b times x plus sine of a plus b times x, right? If you get sine of a of x times sine of b of x, you do 1 over 2 cos of a minus bx minus cos of a plus bx, right? It's just a difference in sign. Then if you have cos a of x times cos b of x, you do it. It's 1 over 2 times cos of a minus bx plus cos of a plus bx. Okay, and sorry, all these require. Okay, so for this one, we're going to apply the identity. We have sine ax cos bx, right? So 1 over, it's going to equal to, these should actually all have integral signs because it's not your final answer, right? So it's going to be equal to the integral of sine x. So 1 over 2 sine of a minus b. So this is a, this is b. 4 minus 5, negative x, plus sine of a plus b. So 9x. You can easily do because there's no product, right? It's going to be, let's bring the 1 over 2 out. Right. So sine is negative cos, right? So negative cos, negative x over negative 1 plus negative cos 9x over 9 plus c, right? So now you just, at first you're not able to integrate this, but then using that those identities, you can break them up into this, and then you can take the integral of them. So let's look at this one. Cos 4x, cos 9x. So we got a cos and a cos. So that's this one. It's equal to, bring the 1 over 2 out. Cos of a minus b, a, b, 4 minus 9, negative 5x, plus cos of a plus b, 9 plus 4, 13x, right? Now you integrate this. Cos is just what? Sine, right? So here we got 1 over 2. What is that? 1 over 2 times sine negative 5x over negative 5 plus sine 13x over 13 plus c. Alright, this one, we're going to say this is a, this is b. Sine is just this one, sine ax, sine bx is that one. So we got 1 over 2 times the integral of, so for sine, you got cos a minus b, right? So what's cos a minus b? It's going to be 10 minus 2, 8x. And then you have minus cos of a plus b. Minus cos of a, so 10 plus 2, 12x dx. And cos is sine, we know that. So it's going to be 1 over 2 times sine 8x over 8 minus cos 12, no, what am I doing cos for? Minus sine 12x over 12 plus c. And that is how you do them. So you can break up a product of two trigonometric functions and take the integral of it. I hope this video helps, and in the next one I'll cover some more advanced advanced substitutions for trigonometric functions. Have a good day.